So, hello guys. Hello everyone. Today I have a big announcement that will change the way you learn cybersecurity. My live practical hacking courses is officially live. And this is your chance to experience real hacking through step by step in a safe and ethical environment. Unlikely traditional course, there are no restriction here. You all learn hands-on technique with me, live using real tools and real scenario exactly professional work in the field. Whether you are a beginner or already exploring cybersecurity, this course will give you a skill, confidence, and practical knowledge to defend against real world attack. And this course is really good for you. And if you are uh, want to learn real hacking, then this is for you. Let's dive deep into our video. So here you can see this is the our course that are live now. What you can learn here: Kali Linux command, network mapping and service version detection, web hacking, purely web hacking, how the web hacking actually work, like that means website hacking, Android hacking, and Metasploit, or Kali Linux, Wireshark, Burp Suite tool that most of the time in this field are used. This tool are most used in this field. So this is the name of our, this is the title of our course: Ethical Hacking Master Class, Linux Penetration Tester and Real World Exploits. In this course you will get real world exploits, like I just guided you everything in a practical way, not a theoretically. All the things are really practically proven and even recorded without any restriction. In YouTube we have the restriction that we are not allowed to show the hacking, actual hacking in YouTube. But in our course I show the everything, everything, that means everything, without blurring anything, without hiding anything. You all get the everything in front of you, that how the actual hacking work. And you can see here, you can even though read here the what you get in this course. By the end of this course you all will able to perform reconnaissance, apply Linux command, understand social media attack vector and defense strategy, and conduct penetration testing with professional framework. Here is the template that are made by us, that you all of us get into our course. Okay, this is the course. If you want to buy this, here you can see this is the buy. And what you all of us that got in this course, here is the folders that I made about related to our course. Here you can see what you all of us got in this course. Here you can see this is the content that you all of us get if you buy the our course, this pre-recorded course. And this is fully practical, and fully practical, and even though nothing to hide, you all of us learn actual hacking. Okay, now this is the course. And if you are want to buy this, what you can do, you can the link you all of us get into the description. Now how you can buy this, here you can see buy this. If you click this button, here is the like a tip option. You can also give me a tip, but if you don't didn't want to give me a tip, here you can see the actual price is $10.59. Okay, and the GST was included in India. So here is the thing: email, full name and country, and your card detail, and pay. This is the thing that you all of us do, and your course are now ready to watch. And one more thing, that our live classes also are started. Cybersecurity live classes for from beginner to intermediate and even though advanced. Join now into 4,999 per month. But even though lots of people are charging at least 12 to 15,000 per month for live classes, but I just charge minimum into 4,999 per month in. And even though you all of us get the benefit in this live session, that one to one session, no other people are got in this group, like in live classes, you and me, that we can discuss about the hacking. You all of us ask me anything about the hacking, and even though I will guide you everything, even though everything that step by step guiding you, and even though teaching you that how the actual hacking work. But the fees is I just showed you. And even though you all of us get the both courses link in the description. And this is the our GitHub account are live now. I just created it today. Here you can see now in upcoming videos, whatever code and even though tools I am gonna write for my subscribers and even though for my personal use, you all of us can also use using git clone. In my previous video, I already told you that how you can download the tools from GitHub. Now this is our tool. You can also check out. You all of us get the link into my channel's about section. This is the our tool. You can now use it. Now it's our live. Here is the our profile. You can also follow us into GitHub. So you all of us get the notification that if I upload our my new tool and coded codes. Now here this is the our channel, and in about section you all of us get their social media link or of our other platform. Okay, now this is all our videos, and this is the that clipboard hijacking, and this is the Windows 11 that I already uploaded, but this is the private thing. And now you all of us are ready to want to hack and practically learn what was the actual hacking is going on. You all of us can enroll in this course. You all of us get the better knowledge, and even though practical, everything was practical, not in theoretically. And even though you can communicate even though you can communicate with me on live classes, and if you are interested in like pre-recorded course, you can also check out the description section. You will get the course link, pre-recorded course link. And even if you are interested in live classes, then you can also join that course. You all of us get the Google form link in uh, like description that you can fulfill, and after payment you will get a Google Meet link. And the second course is like pre-recorded. You can directly pay the amount, and you all of us get the course. You can download, even though download it, and like it's lifetime access. The pre-recorded courses are like you have the access of like lifetime access of the pre-recorded course. So this is the full video. This is the announcement for my all subscriber and even the new ones. And if you are really want to learn hacking, then do and check out. So see you in next video.